Okay. Let's see where we left off, I guess, from yesterday. There we go. Ah, yes. Okay, so there's the cursor. Then we can move around to draw. Or we can turn it off. Okay, so I think what I'm going to work on today is getting, these pixels, keep them from towering up and make them move to the left and right so it, naturally sort of slopes and follows gravity. I don't think that'll be that difficult. Actually, before I do that, I should change the color, I think, of the sand. I mean, like, to make it look like sand. Because right now it's the same color as the cursor, just white. And I think just differentiating it would make it look better. Color picker. Hey, welcome to the stream. Calculator. I now see it better. Wait, is he? Two one seven over 2 5. Equals x over 32. So it's color. So 2 or 2 5. Seven to binary. 11011. 23. 10111. And 14. 01110. Okay. So instead of using 65535, it's going to be 0B 11011 1011101110. And then that should be like a nice sand color. There we go. I don't think I'll ever make, like, I don't know, a secondary element, maybe, but that'll add a lot more complexity. Like, I mean, water would be cool, I guess, but then that would require a totally separate, like, handling of it. Now what I want to do is check the bottom left and bottom right pixels. See if it can slow. see if that works. Not quite. That's odd. Why is it doing that? Pixel below this one is empty. It's doing that. It's like destroying the pixel. See about that. Okay, that looks promising. Ah, there we go. Now we have some, okay. Now the sand is, like, sloping. Unfortunately, it's not, random, because I don't have any random generation going. So, it'll first do left, and then it'll do right, and then left, and then right. You know, like, back and forth, rather than, you know, randomly from one side to the other. But it's working. That's nice. Turn off with bow. And now we have a nice pile of sand. Isn't that wonderful? Just screenshot this. Not for the achievement, but for the thumbnail, you know. Let's see if we can make this a bit more efficient. And maybe add in some water. Having one or two different elements, I think will be fine, but once you start adding more than that, it'll get really complex fast. Especially in this super simple language. I mean, I'm not even utilizing functions in this, which might be able to make it better, but I'm not sure. I just tried to keep it as simple as possible. So right now this is 40,000. Let's try 10,000. And we should probably draw the cursor a bit more often. So now that will draw it every single time. So hopefully it won't flicker. But then it is a bit slow. It slowed down a bit. Okay, a bit slow is probably not totally accurate. It's pretty slow. Instead, maybe I should take that and put it up here. Alright. Now it's not flickering as much. Okay, well, it's still flickering, but blue color, 3484. Like for the water. Alright, let's just preview what that is. Actually, I should make a variable for this because I'm not gonna start changing the color every time. Same color equals color. Also make another one because this is what it will actually be. Sand color. Sand color, sand color. See what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. So we'll change this one to watercolor. Actually, we should make... I think I'm gonna make like... I don't know, I need a simple on-screen thing to sort of indicate, you know, what you have selected and stuff. So maybe I'll make a super simple like UI or something. Or maybe it can just be like some text using character mode. And I'll replace this drawing variable with a type. Actually, instead of type, it should just be draw type. Yeah. Because that way we can use the same variable for turning on and off the drawing to actually change between types as well. Okay, so 0 is nothing. 1 is sand. 2 is water. And then every time we hit the O key, which is just like a random key I chose, but every time we hit that, you can just increment this until it reaches 2, then it'll reset back to 0. So you can loop through it instead of using multiple keys. Okay, so this will even make this code simpler. So you do add. Draw type. Why is this music so loud? Did I accidentally change the volume? No? Weird. Okay, so add 1 to this. And then put it back in. And then we'll just check if it's equal to 3. And we'll just change it back to 0. Nice. Okay. Now for calculating position, we just need to see if it's the color that we're looking for. So instead of seeing if it's equal to 0, we'll see if it's well, there's actually some different rules too, because sand can fall through water, but water can't fall through sand. And I don't have like or, you know, for ifs, so I'd have to make an entirely different if statement to do something like that. Gotta think of like a clever way to do it. I don't know, let's see if this is working. And then if I hit O, then it'll change to 1. Oh, I know, right now it's on 2 because it was on 1 before. Then if I hit O again, then it'll be on 0. Okay, and 1. Nope, that didn't work. Or did it? Oh, it did. I just wasn't hitting the key long enough for it to register. Oh, you know what I should do? Instead of drawing cursor color twice, I should... no, that wouldn't work. Never mind. Then I can figure it out later. So let's get this text working, I guess. Okay, so what is the character offset? 16382. Okay. do is if draw type is equal to 0, change that equal to, so draw type 0 is none. So first letter is N, then O, then N, then E. You know, now that I implement characters, this makes it so much easier. It's incredible. Okay, now 1 is sand, so S-A-N-D. And then 2 is water. W-A-T-E 6 R. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh wait, no. Yeah, I have to actually clear these, because otherwise the R would stay there. So I just need to set it to space. Alright, see if that works. Oh, I don't have it run at the beginning, but whatever. Okay, so water, none, sand. Water, none, sand. There we go. So that's like simple UI working. Let's also have it run at the beginning. Okay, so now let's just say sands to begin with. Alright, good. Alright, now we just need to work on water. Apparently that doesn't do anything yet. Let's first get it drawing the correct color. Draw the correct particle. So the draw type is equal to 1, and that's sand. If it's 2, like sand, that's not even a clean sand color. I don't know why that was even suggested. And there's 1 color. And currently those colors don't actually stay there. It's just like used as a bool, so I need to have those transfer over as well. So that would be pixel val 0. should call this current pixel. And then that by default holds the type. So instead of sand color, we'll just do current pixel. Okay, let's see if this works. So sand, and if I hit O, it changes to water, although water has the exact same physics. So it's basically just different colored sand at this point. Okay, so for water, water can move left and right. Okay, so oh wow, I can do that. It like overflows off the side of the screen. I wonder if we can do it over here as well. Yeah, it can. It's not too big of a deal. Actually, it probably is because water. Yeah, because water will move left and right. So, oh, what is that? Why is that like that? Sand. Sand. Doesn't look like that now. Hold on, let me restart it. Hope that didn't like mess with memory, I guess. Water, none. Yeah, that character for some reason is all messed up. No, Lucas, I was working on this like a bit yesterday. I didn't have much done then, but yeah, I made a lot of progress today already. So it was surprisingly easy. But yeah, we have sand physics at the moment, and right now I'm working on implementing water physics. I mean, I haven't really started working on water physics because it just acts exactly like blue colored sand, but yeah. That's the plan. Also, I need to fix that for some reason. I don't know why it's like that. I could just change it to 0, I guess. That's what space should be, but then SDL messes up a ton. Now if I hit O, okay, now it's fixed. So let's start working on some water. It's here, I think. I think I'm gonna need totally different rules for each material. Okay. So what I'll do is if current pixel is equal to sand, want to do is have it so water floats to the top. So I'll do if the pixel below this one is water, and fall through it. Watercolor. Zero. That's buffer B location. Okay. So I'll change this to water type then. Watercolor. And then that shall handle the falling through. Okay. Change the type to water. Oh wait, I didn't. Yeah, that's right. I disabled water calculations. So I need to just duplicate this and handle water type. Watercolor. Alright, then that should fix it, I think. Sand, water. Now we'll see what happens if sand falls on top of water, and it should fall through. There we go. Sand is falling through the water. Hopefully it's not deleting the water. It kind of looks like it's deleting the water, and that's obviously not good. Although the way I set it up, it shouldn't be. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it totally looks like it is. Wonder why. those changes. Yeah, that just makes it not work at all now. Whatever. I'll just start working on water physics, I guess. Let's see if just that change does anything. There's sand, there's water. And then sand again. Well, now it just doesn't fall through the water. Not very useful. So we'll check if bottom left or bottom right, and then we'll just check if left or right. Or maybe just right then left. So we'll subtract 64, I think. And then check if the left pixel is empty. So I'll just subtract 2. Okay. So now water should have some physics. Just build up like a little area. Put the liquid. Okay, well that doesn't look correct. Maybe I didn't do left and right. Maybe I did like up and down, maybe? Huh. Yeah, because that's not right. So bottom right. So that's plus 65. Alright, this should be add 1. And this one should be sub 1. Okay, that's why. Probably. Maybe. Let's see. Okay, turn on water. No, it's still not working. Looks like the checking might be wrong. Be subtract 64. That'll be the right one. So let's add 1 to location 2. Okay, this location 2 is current pixel. Oh, this has to be subtract 2, not subtract 1. Okay. Let's try again. Alright, turn on water. Not quite. Still. Wonder why. So location 2 should not even be changed up to this point. And then it changes there. You know, this shouldn't be. That's weird. Yeah, that should be 1 and 1. It should definitely be working now. But I'm not sure why it isn't. Oh no, now it's just duplicating water. That's not good. You know, now that I have, you know, a powder game working, or simulator or whatever, I could even make the game of life, because I think the game of life is, like, even easier than this. Yeah, that could be, like, a cool other demo. I mean, once this is done, of course. But think about this. Maybe. Hey, it's working. Sort of. I mean, come on, what is that? See, this is why, it's really important to have random, numbers. Because currently it'll just move back and forth. Huh. Yeah, I might have to make a random system. At least I think that's what's causing this. Like, most likely is. But... Alright, welcome to the stream. Right now I'm working on a, powder simulator game. Like, the powder toy. Except it's way simpler. You guys know this game? You know, you can do things like this. Pretty realistically, too. Like, there's so much simulation stuff you can do in this. It's really cool. But I'm just making, like, a little one. Yeah, it is pretty satisfying. And then my version is, not. Also, there's only sand, and water. So, you can pour the sand. You can pour the water. It's honestly top tier, like game design, you know? remove some like unnecessary things. Okay, so now let's work on like the game of life, I guess. It uses sort of similar things to a powder simulation game. So, yeah, okay. So I don't remember what the things are called. Oh, they're called cells, actually. Yeah, I remember. Actually, maybe I should just do, you know, draw and then none. Because that's the only things you can do. So 2 and is equal to 0. Okay. Draw type is equal to 1, then instead of sand color, it should be towel color. And watercolor shouldn't have anything. I need to look at the rules because I kind of forget. Always game of life rules. Here they are. Any living cell with fewer than 2 neighbors dies. More than 3. 2 or 3. Okay. So we just need a system for counting the number of neighbors. That also wouldn't apply. Move and if. Calculate next state. change neighbors equals 0, and then we'll increment the neighbors. Subtract 64, 65. So that's the top left pixel. Equal to 0. No. Then increment neighbors by 1. Put that into the neighbors. We'll do this for all of them. So we add 1 again. And then that's the top layer. Then we want to add 64, 63, 62. Then we want to add 2. Then we want to add 64, 63, 62 again. We want to add 1. And then add 1 again. Okay, so that counts all of the neighbors. So count the number of neighbors. And change the state depending on the number of neighbors. So you can remove like most of this code, I think. Actually, there's change that. Okay. So what are the rules? So if neighbors is less than 2, then it dies. So neighbors less than 2. And that is equal to 0. Underpopulation. And greater than 3 does the same thing. Just overpopulation. If it has 2 or 3, and it's alive, just recalculate location 1. It's not equal to 0. That means it's alive. And if neighbors is equal to 2 or equal to 3, then cell color. Just bring this down here. Alright, see if it sort of works. Nope. Actually, I should probably add a pause function because it probably wouldn't work anyway due to underpopulation. Like the second you draw it, it'll just disappear. Yeah. Fine. Paused. Equals playing 1 equals. And I want to start at pause. Alright, do I have like an icon for that? I don't think I do. Or like a character. Character set. Okay. I could use like a square, I guess, and an arrow. Do I have any right arrows? Yes. Okay. So I have 0 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 maybe? And 10. 7 and 10. So 7 is paused. Key press is equal to 0, which would be the space bar. So pause is equal to 0, then we'll make it equal to 1. Okay, 7. Alright, and 1 means it is paused, so that's 7. Otherwise, we'll change it to 0. And make this 1. Alright, let's see. Still haven't implemented the pausing, but we'll just... Okay, so hit space. Okay, so that would be playing. Oh, it didn't change. Come on. Hitting the button. Just... It changed once. That's weird. Press is equal to 168. The last key is equal to 168. Gotta hit space. But it only works once. Okay, so let's try hitting space. It won't change it back, but let's try moving the cursor and then hitting space again. No. Okay, so it's not the last key, I guess. 16387. If I change it to like another key, like E, I guess, for pause. Oh, wait. I'm dumb. Okay. So I need to go to exit if, because otherwise it changes right after this. Okay, that should fix it. So now I can use spacebar to pause and unpause. Good. So we'll do an if. Pause is equal to 0. We'll do another if. Pause is equal to 1. Then we'll just change location 2 equal to location 1. Okay, let's see. Alright, so now it's actually drawing it. Now if I hit space, there we go. That's the game of life. It's working. And if I hit O, it'll disable the drawing. Although you couldn't really see the drawing anyway. But okay, yeah, that's definitely the game of life. Yeah, glider, look, just naturally occurs. And it should wrap over to the side of the screen. Yes, okay, it does. I'm not sure what will happen when it wraps the top, though. Okay, it doesn't. It, like, fails to, I guess. Sure, that's good. Now if I hit pause again, there we go. I can start drawing. How do you draw a glider again? Oh, that's not how. I don't think. Wait. Is that it? Nope. Pause. Is that it? No. Let's see. Okay, so it's like an L, and then with a dot at an angle. Okay, so I need to pause. Is that L too long? No. Like that. Enough one. Is that how you do it? No. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so it's 3, 1, 1. Yeah, I made it too big last time. Okay, now it should be a glider that moves from to the bottom right. There we go, nice. I think I might want to choose a different color. Or maybe I can make it like a dynamic color, like based on its position. I don't know, that might be difficult.
Astro-8 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Or I could just make it equal to copy offset. Maybe. Well, if it's 4096 though, that would be I think that would all be in the blue color. Maybe a bit of green. So I think I might want to add an offset as well. So I'll do add this with 4096, I guess. And put that into cell color. And that should be like sort of dynamic, I guess. In the top left corner. Okay. Let's just draw some random stuff out. Stop drawing and I'll pause. How and why? How did it do that? That's not Game of Life. What? That's so weird. If I like multiply it. Well, now it's like all rainbow. Looks wonky. I think white is probably just good enough. Maybe I go like yellow or something. That's not how you spell rainbow. That is. Okay. I really need an easier way to put in like RGB values and stuff. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5. Okay. Let's go to the color picker. I think blue is sort of like a fitting color. Okay. So 110. Times 32 divided by 255 is 13. I'll round it to 14. 240 times 32 over 255. That's 30. And then 212. 32 over it's 27. And then 14 to binary. That's 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. 30. 2, 4, 0. And 27. It's 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Alright. So that means the new color is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. 2, 4, 0. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So I can just like draw some random shapes. There we go. Super simple game of life. Nice. Alright, what should I work on now? Right, there we go. Am I in the dev branch? Okay. Oh, the terminal test was 10 days ago. It's crazy. Yeah, I could probably move all of this junk down here. Maybe I can try adding mouse support? I mean, that'll sort of remove keyboard support, but I guess I could try it. I'm not really sure how SDL handles it, though. Unfortunately, when I actually make the circuits for this stuff, it's going to be different from SDL does it. So, it's going to be a lot of changes to do. Using keyboard to be like a bool. Generally get false. So, of course, I'm trying to do mouse right now. Mouse needs more support. Well, let's hope that there's an event type like mouse up or something. Event.type is equal to SDL underscore mouse motion. Shoot. You have to look it up. SDL get mouse move direction. Oops, equal to SDL mouse motion support. dot jaxis. Oh, joystick axis. Motion dot okay. I think I need to make a custom program for this, just to even test it out. Change EX to 168. start at 32, 32 for the X and Y position. To use some inline assembly. So let's see. Let's move this up here, I guess. So it's sort of like in C++, how here, I'll show you an example. You can use define right here to set like a variable sort of thing, I guess, while it's compiling, but this isn't actual code that's executed. So define would be sort of a way to define what a variable is before the program is actually run on the target machine. And change is more like, let's say you're inside of a function. It's like creating a new variable and then, setting it there. But that doesn't actually get executed until you call this function. So this variable, new string right here, I guess, for example, this doesn't exist until you call this function. So define is used if you want that variable to be set before it's actually used. I guess. I think that makes sense. Fix, new line. And with Armstrong, my compiler, you don't actually need to set the variable. Like, you don't need to do a change this equal to this or a define this equal to this. Okay, well, that's not even correct. You're supposed to have a dollar sign. But you don't have to do that before it's used. Like, the first time you use a variable can be in an if statement, like dollar sign there is equal to 0, and this variable hasn't been declared anywhere, but you can still use it, and you can set it later on. Like, that shouldn't throw any errors or anything. Change a equal to new x. Inline assembly. What's an EGS002? pure sine wave inverter, SPWM board, EGS002. Is this what you're talking about? Okay, so we want to, let's see. Load immediate B. Actually, I'm not entirely sure what the assembly is for this. So I want to bit shift right by how many? 8. Shift left register A by B. Okay. So it'll be 8. And then DSL. And then I want to do load immediate B 15, and then and. I also have to make sure and is actually A and B. And on register A and register B, and then put it back into A. Okay, good. And then I just need to put A back into new X. And now we have to do the same thing for B, or Y. New Y. Go. Bit shift X and bit shift Y. So this should become 8-bit. Oh, so it's like, yeah, that's more than enough. Now I just have to work on like the actual circuitry, I guess. Oh, wait, no, I have to, yeah, I have to draw the pixel. So let's get the pixel offset. So at the top here, we want to change this location. Oh, wait, no, not this location. The previous location. So that'll be
Liftoff of mission 41B, the first flight of the orbital Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
multiply Y position by 64, that into
Computers now have primary control of critical vehicle
temp.
functions.
Add X position and temp. Put that into temp. And then finally add the pixel offset and temp. Put that into temp. And change that value equal to black. Hey, welcome to the stream. Temp equal to 0. Yeah, okay, that should be good. this one will be 65535. Now we want to change actually, we don't even need new x and new y, we just need the normal x plus and y plus. Oh, wait, well, we do need them up there, yeah, okay. But then here we don't. And that should be it. Yeah. So now I can work on the mouse position. Oh, that shouldn't be too difficult because with SDL I think you can get coordinates. But okay, so it's event. Is it motion? Dot. So I'll just have it print, I guess. So slash n. Event dot motion dot x, and we'll also do one. So I can see what values it's like actually printing out. It won't move the pixel yet, but I'll be able to see how it should transform the values. Oh, good, I don't even need to. It's already clamps between 64 by 64. Yeah, and as I move... Okay. Yeah, it's perfect. So I can just do expansion port is equal to... don't need to do that. I think I have to do some bit shifting. How do I do that? Okay, so X is... Oh, I just realized this isn't actually done correctly. So it's X is on the left. So I need to... Okay, bit shift, and then and. And then this one I don't have to bit shift, I just have to do the and. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. I should just replace all of that. Is that how you bit shift? 8. Oh, those are used a lot, aren't they? Plus plus. One zero, 1 0. Okay, yeah, I'm right. So that moves it over 8. And then I just need to add on y. And let's see if this works. Finally have mouse support. Although, now that there's mouse support, there won't be... Oh, it's not working. Now that there's mouse support, there won't be any keyboard support, of course. Huh. That's sort of odd. Because it's X and then Y. That already is an int, so I don't need to do this. Let's print this as well. Okay. I mean, it's like reacting to the mouse, but it's not correct. Okay. So 6 and 11 is 1547. Let's see. So it'd be 6. Or 6 and 11, I think. So 110. And 1011. And that's 1547. So if I bit shift 6 by 8, that will add 8 zeros on the end. So that's 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then plus 1011. So that's 110000 1011. And let's see what that binary value is in decimal. 0B 11 00000 1011 1547. Yeah, that's correct. So what am I doing incorrectly? Might be the program like in here. Like the bit shifting and stuff, possibly. Let's compile this. And then we'll find out what X and Y is. So that's 16529 and 16530. So we'll store A into those. I don't really remember how to do that though. So So it needs to be store A, but then a large one. Store large, and then here. Okay. Store large, 16529. SKOGE, here, 16529, and 16530, I think. 16530, yes. Alright, and we'll try that again. Still not quite. Wait, look, it sort of follows it. Then it, like, overflows. And then X doesn't even work at all. So multiply Y by 64, put it to temp. Add X, temp. So offset, temp. Yeah, I don't know why it's not working. It's odd. Oh wait, 15? 15 isn't an 8-bit number. No. It's a 4-bit number. I need to do 31. Okay. Now let's see. What? Where's the max of... Oh. The toy. That should be 63. Okay, Y movement works. X still doesn't. Also, it's flickering. See if I can remove these. So if I can remove those, just use this and that's fine. It takes up less space and stuff. Yeah, okay, it's the same thing. Although X position still isn't working. Am I supposed to be shifting right? Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be shifting right. Now it's working. Look, the pixel's following the mouse. Awesome. I mean, it's a little bit hard to see. I'll change it to red. So now it's red. Let's see. What I can also do is X pause, Y pause. So this should be new X and then new Y. And then I'll only redraw it X or Y is different from the new ones. New X is not equal to X plus. So we need a variable called like different location or just diff. Change it equal to 1. Diff. For either X or Y. This should make it look a bit better, so it won't flicker a lot because it's clearing unnecessarily. Aw, man. Seriously? Maybe like this? No. Weird. Oh, I see. These have to be the new X and new Y. Let's get Y. New X. Alright, now it should work. Oh. Doesn't clear. It's like a drawing program. X, Y. Oh, because I never actually changed the X and Y position. So I need to change it in here. Change X. New X. Same with Y. New Y. And then these can just stay as they were, so Y pause and X pause. Alright. There we go, now it works. A red pixel that follows the mouse. And it shouldn't go outside of the screen. There we go, that's perfect. Yeah, and on the same dev fork, so you can easily just swap between it and the keyboard with a bool, which is right here. Using keyboard is true, and then it'll swap right back to using, keys. And I wonder what happens if I start typing like this. Hit W, that pixel moves up there. T, H, J, K, L, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, if I hit space, it goes all the way to the top left corner. Wow. Incredible. It's not very interesting. And it all stays on the left. Would have expected it to like jump around the screen, but no, it's not. Alright, let's add a comment in this to tell people to do that. Oh wait, 168 should actually be 32 times 32. Wait, no, 32 times 64 plus 32. So 32 times 65, 2080. Alright, that way it'll start in the center of the screen, because 168 is for using the keyboard. Oh, wait, what did I say it was? 2080, okay. Requires keyboard mode to be turned off. No keyboard. Okay, option. Okay. Let's do that. Now I have to add that option. Shouldn't be that difficult. Let's just search for these. There's options in here. Argval is equal to -NK for no keyboard, or dash dash no keyboard. Use the mouse mode. So the mouse button for emulate. Okay. And then I just have to activate that boolean. Actually, no. That bool has to be off. Yeah, because this is like an inverted one. Okay, what's it called? Use keyboard. Ah, can't find it. Let's see. Using keyboard. Using keyboard to equal false, because by default it's equal to true. So now you can just pass that flag to it. And mouse. Option. This equals keyboard. What? Okay. So, made the game of life, made a powder simulator, and I made mouse input. Some pretty good progress. Maybe I can use mouse input for like the powder sim. I mean, I could try it, I guess. Although people will have to be, will have to use the no keyboard option. Let's just test that out. Make sure it works. Okay, so CD. Why did it open two? CD. It's not code slash Astro-8 Computer slash Astro emulator. X64 slash release slash nope, and then dot slash nope, exe dash nk. Actually, no. The second argument has to be the script. Just dot slash dot slash dot slash dot slash. Sample. Did I do too many? Dot slash dot slash dot slash. Yeah, I did. Strong programs and test mouse support dash nk for no keyboard. Ah, that's unfortunate. It didn't work. I even did the no keyboard option. Huh. Why is that? If I do dash, no keyboard. No, it still didn't work. That's weird. Oh wait, did I compile this? I don't think I compiled it. You have to compile it first. Now it's trying. Okay, now it works. I need to stop it from printing all that out, because that's a lot of garbage. And let's also try the NK option. Yep, that works as well. Nice. let's down here actually. All right, there we go. I can actually move all of these. Oops. Oh, the D, not Control KS.
Four computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
I've been listening to this music for like 20 hours. It's insane. It's very annoying now. Let's find something else. Okay. I was gonna work on the powder simulator. Oh, but I have to push these changes. Oh no, it's just dash. Alright, so this is where it handles the movement. Oh, unfortunately, when the keyboard is gone, it doesn't actually support mouse buttons. It only gets the mouse position, so that wouldn't even work. Are there any issues I can fix with the Astro-8? I don't think there's really much for me to do anymore. do need to work on this. It's going to be a huge pain. I don't like working with the LogiSim hardware because bugs are so difficult to find, track down. Well, alright everyone, thanks for watching this video, or this live stream. Hope you enjoyed. Got a lot of work done, I guess. You know, like 3 different programs. If you can even call the mouse support a program. All it does is show a dot on screen. But still, you know, thanks for watching. And I might see you again tomorrow if I can figure out something else to work on. But with these games done, it might be a bit difficult. So yeah, that's all for the stream, and I'll see you again sometime